So to emulate PS3, you'll need a Windows, Linux, or Mac. And before you do anything, first go to the Quick Start. This will tell you what kind of hardware you need to run it. And then you will need 7-zip to extract it, so the link will be in the description to download that. And then just click download on the version you want and make a folder called RPCS3. Open the folder you saved it in, right click, click show more options, and click 7-zip, extract here, and then these folders and files will automatically be created. Then open it, click that, and then this is the PS3 emulator. The next video, if anyone's interested, will be on how to configure the controllers.